Welcome back, guys, to another video tutorial for challenge of jQuery or free code caps section called change text inside an element using jQuery. So it says that using jQuery you can change the text between the start and the end of the start and end tags of an element. You can even change HTML markup. jQuery has a function called HTML that lets you add HTML tags and text within an element. Interesting. Any content previously within the element will be completely replaced with the content you provide using this function. Here's how you rewrite the emphasis. Sorry, my bad. Rewrite and emphasize the text of our heading. So it's taking the heading here, which is h3 tag, and then applying the HTML method on it, and then just changing the heading to bold using this line. Okay, and then jQuery playground, and then it's just emphasizing the whole text. Alright, jQuery also has a similar function called text that only alters text without adding tags. In other words, this function will not evaluate any HTML tags passed to it. Okay, cool. But we'll instead treat it as the text you want to replace the existing content with. So essentially it's just pointing out the difference between HTML method and the text method. HTML method takes into consideration the tags as well and renders it to the view. However, if you apply this same string in text method, then it will not consider the emphasized text at all. Instead, it will just consider it in plain text. So in short, HTML function will make this text bold. However, text function should write this text as it is. So this tag jQuery playground and the closing tab, this will be written as it is on the page. Alright, cool. So it says that change the button with ID target 4. So this is our target 4 button by emphasizing its text. Check this link to know more on the difference between I tag and EM tag and the uses. Note that while the I tag has traditionally been used to emphasize text, it's been cool for the use as a tag for icons. Yes, because we use this tag in font awesomes icons. Alright, if you don't know what font awesomes are, I'll be going through them in the later tutorials of later free code camps section. Okay, the EM tag is now widely accepted as a tag for emphasis. Either will work for this challenge. Cool. So sorry about that. That was my friend. That was that was my girlfriend making some having fun in her videos, that she watches. All right, and so cool. So essentially, what we need to do is change this target for text to be bold. All right. So how are we gonna do that? Yes, if you said jQuery selector by ID, yes, you're 100% right. So let's do that. Open brackets and then quote select by ID target 4 in this case, because this is our target 4 now here. Alright, cool. So I would do HTML and then place some quotes there and then emphasize it, and then I would say target 4. Whoops. Sorry guys, my bad. Emphasize actually means to italicize, to make the text Italian, or I'm sorry, italic. What am I talking about? By the way, I'm not Italian, but I love Italian people. Alright? Cool. So, oops, why am I writing italic there? So, we need target 4 and then close the emphasized text as well by a closing tag. Perfect. Here we go. So this is what the HTML method does. It takes the em tags or the emphasized tags and renders it. Alright, but I just want to show you the difference between HTML and text method. So if I type in text there, it won't render the em. Instead, it will just render the entire text as it is. Alright, see here, it's coming up as it is, no change at all. Alright, hope you guys understood the concept of changing text inside an element using jQuery, and the difference between HTML method and the text method as well. Alright guys, this is it for this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, have fun, and let's just test it as well, just to ensure it passes, and it does. The world rejoices. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next challenge.